Hey, what's going on? All my homies, homettes, dudes, and dudettes. It's your boy Will back again, and I'm about to go ahead and run through this sample pack that I got. I got this maybe a week or so ago, and I was with a couple of other fragrances from Aroma Concepts, and seemed like it was going to just be too much, too cumbersome. But I'm gonna crack them open today. Let's go. Check it out with me. All right, let's check these out. This is the Discovery series from Aroma Concepts. Here we go. Let's grab a knife. Here we go. And chop right into it. Yeah, I meant to do this like some time ago, but I started getting a bunch of packages in, and then a whole bunch of other things started coming through. So I was like, all right, I'll get to it when I get to it. But whew. All right, let's see. How do I open this? Oh, okay. So it opens up like a coffin. Oh, not bad. Look at that. And they're sitting securely in there. So it's 4 fragrances. Not sure what the names of them are. I have the names on the back, but we'll go through them as we go. All right, let's jump in, grab the first one. This one, I'm not sure if this name is going to come through, but it's called Kisa Delicious. There's the Delicious, and you can see the Kisa there. So, not sure what the notes are for this, but figure why not? Just jump right in. We're just sampling these, see what they smell like. Oh, these are nice sprayers. Huh. Okay, this is pretty good. It smells floral. Smells like this one smells like it's probably leaning a little bit feminine. This one, I think it's like maybe Lily of the Valley that's in this. I'm smelling, picking up, but it smells something sweet too, like maybe a cotton candy. Not sure, but yeah, it smells pretty good. This one, I think it's leaning a little bit more feminine because it smells like a sweet floral kind of vibe, kind of fragrance. So it smells good, but not sure if I may end up giving this one away. Okay, that's Kisa Delicious. Let's go. Let's get this next one. Let me get the box open. Okay, here we go. Let's see. What is this one? Is this one Ginger Babe? All right. We just gonna spray it. Check it out. Ooh, this one's kind of spicy. Oh, maybe this is cognac glaze. Let's see, is that name coming in for you guys? Oh, there it is. Yeah, cognac glaze. Oh, this is kind of nice. It's a little powdery and kind of a little boozy. Like, doesn't really smell like cognac. It smells more like whiskey. And a little florals in the background and little lightness to it, like maybe some musk in it. This is pretty good. This one's pretty good. This is almost, it's coming off like a dark fragrance that you could probably use for the summertime. But yeah, this is pretty good. All right, let's go with this next one. Where did I do with the box? Oh, here we go. No editing, just jumping right into it. Next one up is this one here. I think this one is called Vanilla. Oh, no. This is Ginger Babe. And I smelled this one already. This one is, I'm digging this fragrance, man. I gotta do a recap of that fragrance because I actually put it on and I've been wearing it like around the house and things like that. Winner. It is a winner. Wait a minute. Is that Ginger Babe? That don't smell like Ginger Babe. Yeah, this smells different. This is Ginger Babe, but it smells different from the actual bottle that I got with the Aroma Concepts fragrances. I got that, and I got Vozingi. Yeah. This one smells different. This smells like very light, like I could barely smell anything with this. Maybe because I just came from the cognac. So I'll put it there and I'll come back to it. And let's grab the next one. Back to the box. Back to the box. And here's the last one. This one is the December vanilla. December, and the vanilla name is right there at the bottom. Let's see. Let's check it out. Live reaction. No filtering. Oh, this is nice, but I like the way this smells. but it doesn't smell like a cologne. It smells like one of those scented Christmas candles that you get from Bath and Body Works. That's what this smells like. So it's not bad. You probably could wear this. It's probably more for the seasonal time, like maybe around Christmas, but I don't smell the vanilla in it. I just smell the spices, kind of like pine spices and kind of like cinnamon, apple, maybe. But it smells spicy. It smells like a summer, not a summer, but a winter candle that you get during the winter time, and you burn it like around the times where you're going to be opening Christmas gifts or things like that. That's what this smells like. It kind of reminds me of snow being outside and winter trees or whatever. Almost kind of smells like the pine trees that you used to get to hang from your car. Yeah, it kind of reminds me a little bit of that. Not exactly. It smells more refined than that, but it reminds me of that. So yeah, that one's kind of cool. December vanilla. Not sure how much wear I'm gonna get with that one either, but it is a good fragrance to probably pop in your bag and wear when you want to wear it, on the go. All right, I'm gonna grab some notes and then I'll come back, and look like I need to get some more light. So I'll be back in a minute. Hold on a second. So I'm back in and I'm finishing this up. I'm gonna go through the notes real quick. This one is the Kisa Delicious. Let's see if that name's gonna come in. It's gonna come in. It's not coming in, but it's Kisa Delicious, and this smells very, very feminine. Like feminine. It's not leaning feminine. This is a female fragrance. I can't imagine wearing this, so I probably will give this away. But let's go check out what the notes are. The notes for Kisa Delicious, and I'm glad I only got a sample of it. Now this one is by Paris Corner. It's not by Aroma Concepts. Actually, the only one that's from Aroma Concepts is the Ginger Babe, and that Ginger Babe didn't smell like what it smelled like in the bottle that I have the bottle right here. I'm still testing it, but this smells really good. The sample doesn't. It smells different. Well, I'll smell it when I get to it. But anyway, right here, right now, talking about Kisa Delicious. This one, the notes for this are whipped cream, dark chocolate, orange for the top notes. Middle notes are marshmallow, coconut, and jasmine. And then for the base notes, we have vanilla and white musk. And I guess that is what I smell, but it smells. The jasmine is what I was smelling. I thought it smells to me more like lily of the valley, but I can understand this being jasmine. And then I smell the sweetness from the. I was thinking it was like cotton candy, but it's probably the marshmallow that I was smelling. Chocolate, whipped cream. It smells good. Like it smells like it will really smell really good on a female, but it leans very, very feminine. And I mean, you wear what you want to wear. If you're a guy, you want to wear that, hey, go for it. All right. So the next one up, is this the mall cognac? Yeah. This is Cognac Blaze. I don't know if that name's going to come up. Cognac Blaze. And this one kind of it changed up a little bit with the smells. I'm trying to move all this stuff out of here because I got fragrances that I'm sampling. Now this one changed a little bit. This one smells more like a angel share kind of thing, kind of vibe, but maybe not. It smells a little bit more like Camera, like it's a little spicy. I want to put this on skin, but I'm not going to do it right now, even though I know some of these fragrances lately have been smelling different on paper and on skin. So, but yeah, this one is really good. This one is again, it's called Mall Cognac Blaze, and the notes for this one, the Cognac Blaze, is coffee, mandarin, and Davana for the top notes. Middle notes are myrrh, black pepper, and sandalwood. Then in the base notes, we have vanilla, tonka bean, and musk. And it doesn't have rum listed. It doesn't have any alcohol listed, but the alcohol that I smell in this, it doesn't really smell like rum or cognac. To me, it's coming off as like a whiskey barrel. So it still smells similar to like the Camera, but it's the whiskey in it. The alcohol note in it just smells a little bit different. But yeah, it smells good. That one I will get some use out of it. And then what was the next one that the next one I used was, I think it was the December one? No, that's Kisa. I think it was the December, or was it Ginger Babe? No, it was Ginger Babe. So I'm trying to go in order so I can have the same amount of dry down time. Now this smells a little bit kind of like the Ginger Babe that I have, the actual bottle. It smells a little bit like it. Here it is right here. Ginger Babe. But it smells like a watered down version of the actual fragrance that I have in the bottle. I'm kind of glad that I smelled that, the actual bottle. I think that's 30 or 50 milliliter bottle. I'm glad I smelled that one first before smelling this one, because if I smelled this one first, I would be like, nah, it's way too light. It's very, it's airy, but it's starting to smell a little bit more like it. It may be even different once I put it on my skin, because I remember Ginger Babe had that little vibe, was a little different when I put it on my skin. All right. Oh, I didn't go over the notes, but I have gone over the notes. I think I went over the notes with Ginger Babe before, but I'll go over them again. For Ginger Babe, the top notes are ginger, cinnamon, and nutmeg. And then the middle notes are caramel and hazelnut. Then the base notes are vanilla and tonka bean. So yeah, it smells really good. If if you're interested in that fragrance. I'm not sure if I would be good with saying get the little sample, the 10 milliliter sample, unless maybe it's going to open up. Maybe it'll smell better after I, spray it a couple more times. But this first initial spray of it, not crazy about it. All right, let's go with this last one. And is this it? Nope, that is cognac. The last one is this one. Is December Vanilla. If that name gonna come in there. December Vanilla. And this one, let's see if it changed any. It still smells a little bit. It still has that Christmassy kind of pepperminty kind of vibe to it, but it's gotten a little bit more woody, which is good, because the woody aspect, it makes it more of a evening kind of a date scent, maybe close encounter, long as it doesn't project real far or it's not screeching. So let's go and check out these notes for, what is that? December Vanilla. Now, December Vanilla, they do say it's a unisex fragrance. Now this one, this one got a lot of notes in it. And this one is by Paris Corner. The only one, again, that's from Aroma Concepts was the Ginger Babe. The other 3 are from Paris Corner. It was just a sample pack. But this one has a lot of notes in it. So, Ginger Vanilla. The top notes are rum, vanilla orchid, and jasmine. Then the middle notes are vanilla, creme brulee, spicy notes, tonka bean, leather, and rose. And then in the base notes, we have brown sugar, patchouli, amber, agarwood, oud, and musk. They have agarwood and oud separately. So it's why am I looking darker? So yeah, that's the notes for December Vanilla. Try not to do any cuts from it. That's why I'm just running right through it with you guys. But yeah, this one is pretty nice. I think it will probably be good if you can get past that initial opening, because that initial opening smells like a candle. It's not all that great, but I think this may be one that I'll probably test a little bit, probably like around the house in the evenings. Check it out first, because this one seems a little interesting. That, like I said, the opening, not crazy about. I mean, I like it, but I'm not crazy about it being on my body, because it smells like a candle, like you would burn in the house to just freshen up the air. But yeah, this is all right, pretty good. All right, that's all I have for you today. I just wanted to go ahead and run through these four sample fragrances that I got from Aroma Concept. It's, like I said, it's one that's Aroma Concept, and one is, the other 3 are Paris Corner. But yeah, thanks for hanging out with me. I appreciate your time. I know you could be anywhere else in the world, but you're here with me talking about 4 fragrances that I got from samples. Until next time, it's your boy Will with the Will Report. Deuces.